Hi, welcome to Diytaj Tires. Today I'll be showing you how to replace a side light bulb on this BMW X3. It's the 2006 model. Just to show you what exactly I'm talking about. Now if I start the car up, you'd see right there you've got the bulb symbol on. So I've got the side lights on now. For me to check it, tell you which one it is. Now right there, that's the side light bulb, and this one here is not working. You've got the, instead of that, you've got the indicator on, just a warning light. Now we'll show you how to replace it. I'll just switch the lights off. Now on the inside there, that's the cover I need to remove. Okay, before I remove the cover. Now you can see the blue wire and the plug, the brown plug, that's what needs to come out. For me to pull it, I'll gently pull the whole thing out. Now you can see right there, that's right out. So take the bulb out. Now I've got the 501 bulb in my pocket. But I couldn't do it on my own, so I had to get my stand out. So I'll put the bulb in. Now that the bulb is back in there, all you need to do is slot it through that hole right there, as you can see. I'm going to slot it through and then check the lights in a minute. There we go, that's right in there now. So what we're going to do, we're going to check the lights. Can you switch the lights on, please? Right, both of them are working now. And then before, you had the indicator bulb on, but now it's off because this light's working. I'm just going to show you the warning light as well. If I now start the car up, that warning light will disappear. That's all you got to do on your car. Any more information, please do let us know. We'll try helping you out as much as we can, and please do subscribe to our channel, like the video and comment below. Thank you, goodbye.